Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is something went wrong, try to reopen settings later. So if you're receiving this error message while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the restart try to update your Windows 10. Now still you're facing the error message, then run update troubleshooter. For that go to the start menu, then click on settings. Then click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows update, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. The next step is to run DISM and SFC command. For this, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Open Windows PowerShell, so make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and paste the first command, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Let the scan complete. Once the scan is 100% complete, run the second command. Paste the second command once the first scan is complete, and then run the second command. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. So make sure that this scan is 100% complete, then restart the computer. Now still you're facing the problem, then restart Windows Update Services. For that, type in services in Windows search box, then click on Services app, find Windows Update. So here you can see Windows Update, make a double click. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And with Windows Update selected, click on restart. And once the restart is done, try to update your Windows 10 once again. The next step is to run these commands. So copy all the commands. The commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command and then open a notepad, and then paste the command in the notepad, and then click on file, then click on save as, select desktop, and here you can go ahead and type in fix.bat, fix.bat, and for save as type, select all files and make sure that you name it as fix.bat, and then click on save. And once this is saved to the desktop, here it is, make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Let the process complete. Now here you can see, for this command it's asking, are you sure, yes or no? Y for yes, N for no. So type Y in the keyboard using the keyboard and then hit the enter key and let it complete. Now once the process is complete, restart your computer, click on the power icon, then click on restart, and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. And the next step is to reset the Windows 10 settings app. For that, click on start menu, then click on settings icon over here, make a right click. So make a right click on settings icon, then click on more, then click on app settings, and then scroll down, and here you can see the reset option. Click on reset, and once the reset is done, try to update Windows 10 once again. The next step is to perform clean boot. For clean boot, type in system configuration in Windows search box, and then click on system configuration. Click on yes to allow. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Then click on disable all. Make sure you put a check here first, and once this is checked, then click on disable all, then click on apply, OK, and then you will see the restart option. Click on restart and then try to update Windows 10. Now if nothing is working, the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant. So go to this website. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on update now. And then once you click on update now, exe file will download. Run this exe file. And then click on yes to allow. And this will load update assistant. It will check update. And if you see the install option, click on install. And your Windows will be up to date. Now still you're facing the problem. The last step is to use media creation tool. So on the same website, click on download tool now. Run this exe file. It will load media creation tool. Click on yes to allow. Now agree to the terms. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Make sure this is selected, then click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. So this process will take time. So let the process complete. Now once the download is complete, before installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and apps would be checked like this. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. You can click on install, and once the installation is done, you can log into your computer and your Windows will be up to date. You should not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.